Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The culmination of the Salesian Vocation Camp, a beacon of spiritual discernment and vocational exploration for post-matric, Class 12 and graduate boys, marked a momentous occasion as Father John Zosiama, Provincial of the Salesians of St. John Paul II, Shillong Province, presided over the closing ceremony with the Holy Eucharist. This significant event, held from April 19 to April 27th, witnessed the participation of 42 enthusiastic young men eager to explore their calling with the Salesian community. Under the meticulous guidance of Father Primus A., the vocation promoter of the province, and his team of dedicated young Salesians, the vocation camp provided a nurturing environment for participants to engage in prayer, reflection, and discussions aimed at discerning their vocational path. Throughout the 7-day program, the participants immersed themselves in a journey of self-discovery guided by the principles of Don Bosco's educational philosophy, which emphasizes love, reason, and faith. The camp activities ranged from spiritual exercises to interactive sessions designed to help participants explore their strengths, interests, and aspirations. Father John Zosiama's presence at the conclusion of the camp added a profound spiritual dimension to the event as he delivered a poignant message of encouragement and support to the young men embarking on their vocational journey. The Don Bosco Educational Center, located in San Pedro Carcha in the department of Alta Verapaz, Guatemala, became the focus of the environmental dialogue on Thursday, 18 of April, hosting a forum entitled Forests, Communities and Natural Reserves. The latter brought together several institutions committed to the conservation of the environment, in line with the appeal of Pope Francis in his encyclical Laudato Si. The event, which was attended by more than 600 people, was jointly organized by the Ministry of Environment and Natural Resources, the Natural Forestry Institute, the National Council of Protected Areas, the Don Bosco Center, with the support of Renis Hydroelectric Power Plant. The inauguration of the Salesian Games 2024 took place on April 26 at the City of Youth in the district of Lukunga near Kinshasa. The event, which brought together all the works managed by Salesians and Daughters of Mary Help of Christians in Kinshasa, opened with a Eucharistic celebration presided over by Father Orlean Mukangwa Mwanangoy, Superior of the Africa Congo ACC Vice Province. After the presentation parade and the opening ceremony, Father Jerry Motsumbu, Delegate for Youth Ministry for the ACC Vice Province, and Father Justin Kumbu, Rector of the City of Young People, took the floor. The participants were welcomed, remembering that living the Salesian Games means being joyful and friendly. The provincial chapter of the Salesian St. Paul Province of Thailand was held from 22nd to 25th of April under the theme Passionate About Jesus Christ, dedicated to young people. The provincial chapter was moderated by Father Peter Nifon Sarachit and was chaired by the THA Provincial, Father Anthony Bunlert Panetat Thayasai. In addition to the 36 officially elected members, 8 observers also participated in the chapter, each of whom represented the groups of the Salesian family of Thailand, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, Sisters Handmaids of the Immaculate Heart of Mary, Daughters of Queenship of Mary Immaculate, Sisters of the Queenship of Mary Help of Christians, Salesian Cooperators, Volunteers of Don Bosco, Association of Mary Help of Christians, and past pupils. The Don Bosco School in Recife celebrated Young Workers' Day with a significant milestone. 2,000 young apprentices entered the labor market. The special event to celebrate the day took place on 23rd April at the Bow Vista Theatre, located on the premises of the Salesian College in Recife, before the official date of the celebration. The main goal was to inspire and form this new generation of professionals. The event provided an immersion for young participants, both in person and online, with lessons and enriching moments of interaction. This date established at the initiative of the International Labour Organization (ILO) highlights the importance of opportunities and the inclusion of young people in the labour market, values that are deeply rooted in the Salesian mission. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.